and gently push the ball into the hole.
It might not be golf.
I can tell you don't watch music.
You won. I was just about to bring Jesus into the conversation.
I've just been working out the sum. Roughly, I think, in order to play 2 million rounds of golf, I use actually thousands of years old.
So very, very amazing ability to make your opinion sound like a fact.
Thank you very
like
much.
my ex-girlfriend, really.
In what other ways do you like your ex-girlfriend?
Sounds quite authoritative, but it really isn't necessary.
Look, I don't see why any of you me. I've never tried to have sex with you.
Well, then you nailed it on the head.
Roger Pickling invented the game of snow golf, making his balls red so he could see them with snow.
Thank you, Rod. So, Rod, he managed to smuggle 3 truths past the rest of the panel, which are that Edward VII had a golf bag that was made from an elephant's penis. It was a gift from an Indian Maharaja, and heard the king liked golf, and thought he used to make a golf bag out of. The second truth was that Tiger Woods' first televised game of golf was at the age of 2 on the Mike Douglas show, and he hit a ball to the delight of Bob Hope. And the other truth was that Rudyard Kipling invented the game of snow golf, painting his balls red so they could be seen in the snow. So that means, Rod, you've scored 3 points. We now turn to Reginald D. Hunter. Reg's arrival on the comedy circuit was a breath of fresh air, as we hadn't had a successful black comedian since before Richard Blackwood. Your subject, Reg, is the cat, or house cat, a small predatory carnivorous mammal valued by humans for its companionship and its ability to hunt vermin. Fingers on buzzers, everyone else. Off you go, Reg.
Reginald D. Hunter lecture on cats.
Yeah, I mean, that's true, isn't it? Yeah, I think, yes, that's a definite point. Well done, Adam.
The house cat, or chick pet, was first domesticated in Thailand. In the United States, cats have gone beyond domestication, with several having their own TV shows, underground comic books, and product endorsements.
Right. I'm going to go with they've gone beyond domestication and their own TV shows, comic books and things like that.
No, they haven't.
Top Cat?
No, Top Cat's not a cat, it's a drawing.
And that is a drawing of a cat.
Yeah, that's a sort of drawing, not a sort of cat.
I know.
A tiger is a sort of cat, a drawing of a cat is a sort of drawing.
Yeah. Well, if I said, did you ever see cats on TV, you might think, oh, Top Cat, and I go, oh no, that's a drawing. That'd be a bit harsh, wouldn't it? Is Top Cat a cat?
What? Yeah.
No, he's not, he's a drawing.
What? What Reg was saying is that cats have gone beyond domestication and now they're doing their own TV shows. What I'm saying is anybody who watches Top Cat and says, oh, that's excellent, look at that level of feline brain development. How brilliant to see at last a cat is playing the lead in a major TV show. Then they need help.
But you're twisting his words.
No, I'm sorry, I'm not going to give you the point.
All right.
Although I'm glad Top Cat is so real for you.
Cats are lazy. They sleep 12 hours a day even when they are awake. They lie down as much as possible. What is amazing is that the same laziness that women love in cats, they despise in men.
You turned this lecture on cats into therapy.
When it comes to claiming the title of most popular pet in the world, it is estimated that there are over 3 billion women living in some form of emotional denial.
Shabby.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
You didn't mean to
I'm
bite.
in emotional denial, and I sort of gripped a little bit too hard,
Right.
so as not to respond, and it pressed the red button.
It was raining. You have to keep buttons away from them.
Says the American.